John Weiner with Imbibe Cincinnati, and this is the Roy Orbison cocktail. Basically, it's a champagne cocktail, really nice and refreshing. You'll start in a pint glass with muddled cucumber, 2 slices, and just kind of beat it to death with a muddler. You start with London Dry Gin. In this case, we use Beefeater. And a ½ ounce of Saint Germain, which is kind of bartender's ketchup. It's an elderflower liqueur. After that, we will add a ½ ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. Afterwards, a dash of lime juice. Strain it into a champagne flute and top it with champagne.